you can create a custom template based upon a currently used workbook. And in this example, I've got an invoice. And why would I want to go ahead and create a custom template based upon it? Well, see if this makes sense. When I enter in the information of who we're billing it to and all the products they ordered down below, if it's quite a bit, and then I save it, print it off, and then I go, okay, now we have to bill the next client. I'd have to come back in here, delete all their information, replace it with the new client's information, and change the information down below. I mean, that can be a bit time consuming instead of just having it all blank and then typing in the client's name and not have to clearing out the old information from the previous invoice. So what I can do is I can get rid of all the non-essentials, those things that I don't want to appear on every invoice that's not common. Well, our logo is going to be common. Every person we invoice is going to have our logo. And also, hey, go the extra mile, our slogan, fun. But it always won't be the same invoice number. So you can see that. We'll delete that and get rid of it. And then when I save it as a template, anytime that I want to invoice somebody, it'll be, as you see it here, without all the previous information from another client that I have to get rid of. I can just simply type in or over these fields here that says put the name here, street address, and then save it. And then if I have somebody right after this that I need to invoice, just go ahead and make another copy of this template that we're going to save here. So how do we save it as a template after we cleaned it up? Come up here and you can click on the File tab to go backstage and go to Save As. And then it takes one more step to click on Browse to click on the drop down arrow to find the workbook template, which is right there. Or let me click Cancel. I added to my quick access toolbar the Save As, so when I click on it, opens up the Save As window right off the bat. Let's go to, again, the template here, Excel template. Takes me right to the templates folder, and then I can call it my spiffy invoice, hit enter to save it, and that's it. And then when I go ahead and close out of here, and I'm like, oh, we need to go ahead and send off a new invoice to somebody. Let's open up Excel, double click. Then come up here and click on the File tab, go down to New. Now there's the featured templates, then we have our personal templates that we didn't see in the previous training video because we didn't have anything saved by us as a template. So now that we save something as our own template, we can click on Personal, and there it is, my spiffy invoice. Oh, isn't that fun? Let's go ahead and click on that, and there you go. Hey! And I can just go ahead and type in who I'm billing it to, all their information. I don't have to delete the previous person that we billed it to or delete their previous order here. It's clean, and when I'm done, I can go ahead and click Save. Now when I click Save, notice how it saves it as an Excel workbook by default. The reason why it does that is because so you don't overwrite the original template, because if you click on the drop down arrow and you say, okay, I want to go back to the Excel template, notice even the file name has changed. So even if you get to changing it for some reason, the type from a workbook to a template, and you click Save, it's got a new template name with Invoice 1 from the original just Invoice. So it's trying to take care of you, Excel is, so you don't overwrite the original and know that it forces you to do a Save As and makes a copy of it. And it's not as a template when you click Save. Again, when you click Save, it's as a workbook. So we're not creating templates based upon templates, although I guess you could, but that's not the purpose of the video here. We want to make sure that we can create a custom template that we can always create a copy of when it comes to invoicing everybody, that we can start from scratch and not have to clean up the previous invoice information from the previous client that we invoiced. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.